Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm your English teacher. In today's video, we are going to be learning the common household objects. So, let's start.
This is a bed. I sit on the bed. This is a pillow. I put it under my head. This is a blanket. I put it on me when I am cold. This is a cup. I drink tea. This is an iron. I iron my clothes. This is an ironing board. I use it to iron clothes. This is a soap. I wash my hands. This is a towel. I dry my hands. This is a blow dryer. I dry my hair. This is a wardrobe. I have my clothes inside. This is a TV. I watch TV. This is a lamp. It makes light. This is a refrigerator. I take out food. This is an armchair. I sit on it. This is a curtain. I hide behind it. This is a chair to sit. And this is a table to eat on it. This is a carpet. I walk on it.
Thank you very much guys for watching this video until now. I hope you like it and I hope it was helpful for all of you guys. I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye.